Yeah, my plan to drug engines is working. Now the engine I'm gonna drug next is no one! You got fucked, drug engine. Uh-oh. Get him! Ah! What are you guys doing? Gordon, have you seen an engine coming around this turntable? Yes, he was yellow and he had the number 23 on his tender. That's the engine we're looking for. Thank you, Gordon. Be careful out there, guys. It's very dark and you might get lost. Don't worry, Gina. We'll be careful. Now let's go, Percy. We finally caught him now, James. You are fucked, drug engine. You fools, nothing can stop me. I'm unstoppable and nobody can. Now, you drug engine, I've heard that you've been messing with some of my engines with drugs and other things. Is that true? I will never tell you, and I won't stop my quest to give drugs to other engines and get money from it. Very well then. Then I think I'll have to send you to the scrapyard so you won't cause any more harm. Thank you for coming on such short notice, sir. No problem, James. Now I think it's best to put this engine on a flatbed so you can take it to the scrapyard. Alright, James, you're free to go. Thank you, sir, and you'll never put sneezing pox in my firebox, never again. Oh, you haven't seen the last of me. I'll get you one day. I'll get you. I'm glad we got rid of him. Me too. Alright, Percy, it's time to go to bed. Okay.